Let's start the video. I have only 20 minutes to wrap up video, so I do it quickly and in a summarized view. Okay. This is the project of Model 2 in which we will discuss about the hotel booking analysis. Okay, there is a six or five more projects, but I select the hotel booking analysis. This is the project name Hotel Booking Analysis. Project is type classifications contribution. I did it individually, so I mentioned here is it is individual. Okay. What is the project summary? The hotel booking analysis project provide valuable insights into the factor influencing hotel booking and customer behaviors about everything is about customer behaviors, check-in, check-out, everything. We discuss about it. This is my GitHub link. And after that, the problem. What is the problem statement? Everything. We know we all have faced the situation when we check in the video, such when we checking the hotels or in a video. When we check in the hotel, the check-in time, arrival time, check-out time, number of beds, all things we will discuss about that. And what is the problem statement? The problem statement is about all about that the booking of the hotel is depending on the month or a season. Accordingly, if we the tourist which who like to visit Rajasthan, visit in a winter season because there the temperature of the Rajasthan is very high, about some about 55 degrees Celsius someday. Okay. Then tourist person would like to visit the Rajasthan in a winter season. Then the occupancy and the hotel should be prepared for in a winter season. Okay. This is one of the example. A length of a stay, room type. We all discuss about that in this video. Okay. Let's start. This all this you can read all this exploratory data analysis area. I also mentioned it. Define your business objective, increase the occupancy rate. Occupancy rate I want to increase and identify the pattern and trend in booking. Okay, to understand peak and off peak periods. I just explained that in the summer season about Rajasthan. Okay, I will analyze all the data what's going on, and I give the prediction what will be good for the hotel management system. Okay, to grow up the business. General guidelines, well structured, formatted, and commented code is required. Okay, I mentioned the commented and well structured code in my view. Each and every logic should have a proper comments. Okay, I did all of this. Let's begin. Import all the important library. It doesn't mean we will use uh, all the library, but I import all the library because when we need a panda, then I wrote the code, and when we run panda is not imported field, then you import panda. This is somehow messy, so I run the imported library here. uh, Explain some of the library. NumPy is basically for the calculating the numbers. To play with the number, we use the NumPy library. Okay, Panda library to make a data frame. Basically, for data frame, it is very vast library. Its use is very variable. It's a very extended form. Its use is in the very extended form. Panda JPD or data frame. Panda make PD is alias of the panda, and it will use to make a data frame. PD, NumPy, Seaborn and Matplotlib it used to make a graph, to visualize the graph. Okay, let's go below. Now, we have to predict some analysis about the hotels. Then, what do we need? What do we need? We need first, what do we need? We need first the data. In which season the customer arrived, in which season the customer not arrived, in which season the customer is maximum, minimum, average. Where is the data? I have a data in my drive. Okay, then we firstly we have to import the data from the drive from to the Google Colab link. Okay, from Google Colab import the drive mount content. This will connect you to the drive, continue it and sign in it. Then here we have to locate the which folder we would like to mention. Here is the folder name. Okay, Then this is pd dot read. This is from Panda. I explained you. This is pd dot read CSV. CSV file, how to read the file. The file in a Google Drive is in the CSV form. Then how to extract the CSV form? There is a formula pd dot read CSV file path. Okay, this read the this is the formula, and this is variable hmdb.df. Okay, when we print hmdb, this is the data. Look, look, Python read the CSV form of the data. Look, this is the data. Here is the I explain in a few minutes. Look at this. HDMP df.save. It is for the how many row and column you used. Look at the column. Look at the column. Look at the rows. This is for the rows. This is for the column. Look at the rows. 1,90,390 rows and 32 column. We will go to play with. Okay, guys. This is not possible by hand. It is only possible by computer and some language such as Python and all that. Column HDM HMDB df dot count axis one. What do you mean by axis one? Axis one represent column. Axis zero represent row. This represent column. Print column. This is the data column. Okay. Row. Axis zero represent rows. This is row. This is row. Okay, guys. Row and column you can understand. There is a function data set information. Put the variable name dot info. This is very important. In this, all the details is available. How many rows? 1 lakh something. How many column? 32. Which column is null? Which column is not null? Mentioned here. 1,90,319 column. Not null column. It means hotel there is no null value. Each cancel there is no null value. Why? How I interpret this? There is the, there is number of the hotels, not null column. There is same the number. It means no null value is zero. Zero in case of hotel is cancelled. In case of cancel, look at these children. 1,90,386. But number of road is 1,90,390. It means there is a four null value. Okay, here you can see that which row, which column have a null value. You can see that here by information. Here, look, there is 1 lakh, about 1 lakh row, but in company there is only 6,000. It means all the remainings are null value. And by this, we can also interpret the data, which type of a data. It is integer data, it is object data. You can change the data by looking at this. If you want object data into integer or string, something float, it means number data. Float means point. After a point, a decimal point data. You know that. We learned about that. Now, duplicate value. How many duplicate value? Duplicate value. Can you understand what I want to say? Duplicate value means there is data. My name is Rohit. My age is 29. My height is 6 feet. This data repeatedly repeated. This data repeated many times. This is duplicate value. How many duplicate value? 31,000. This is very important. 31,994 duplicates. Then we have to remove it because data looks clean and well structured form when we represent to our project manager. But here, look, the data 31,000 data, about approx 32,000 data is a duplicate. Then we have to remove it. How many missing value? Is null is a function to represent is null. Is null is a function to represent Boolean value. Boolean value is null. Null if null, true. If not null, false. If not null, false. If null, true. When we dot sum, then sum of the Boolean value specific to the row. When you use one more sum, then sum of all the null value here represent. Look at this. Here he used only one sum. Then it provide specifically for all rows. Sum. Country 488 null value. Okay. When we use one more sum, then add the all value and represent here. Add the all value and represent here. We have two sums. Okay, understand? If we use, guys, I can explain you better, but I don't have much time. I have to wrap up the video in 20 minutes. So let's move forward. What did you know about the data sets? The data sets given is the data set from the hotel booking analysis, and we have to analyze the hotel and insight behind it. And now I know about import library data set loading, data first view data sets, all this. Okay. The above data set has itna row, itna column. Okay. Understand the variables. How to understand how much? If you want to see the column, then put the variable dot columns. This is the column hotel, it's cancel, it time, arrival date month. This all is the column. Here is the describe function. This is very important function. Describes in describe function. When we write the variable name dot describes, include all means all types, means integer, variables, strings, booleans, float, everything is a include all. In describes, count is available or available. It is in built-in, unique, top, frequency, mean, STD, 50%, 25%, all is mentioned here. Variable description, check the unique value. Guys, we know the unique value means there is a name of a friend. Rohit, Aryan, Ranjit, Rohit, Aryan, Ranjit. There is a repeatedly many times. If you want to know how many unique person is available, so then unique value is used. Just like hotel. How many types of hotel we have? The resort hotel, city hotel, only resort hotel, city hotel. This is all the column, and this is the unique value of all. Take it. What is the data wrangling? Write a code here. I mentioned the code for a data wrangling. This is for information. I wrangle the data. This is for head, means top something, top 10 here, top 5. This is for describe. C. This is for information. This is for describes. This is for head. Okay. Data visualization. Guys, the next I I explain about all the data. Now I explain how to make a graph of the data by the histogram, by the box plot, by the scatter plot, by the heat map. Lots of graphs available. Guys, I do it quickly because I don't have a lots of time. Histogram, there is a code for histogram. SNS. SNS is a alias for what? CBOM. Remember, above I mentioned that. CBOM, histoplot, simply write that data. Which type data? Variable you read above. HDMF, HDMF, DF you read above. This is the data. It is x is equal to lead time. X is equal to lead time. What is 4? X is equal to lead time. X is equal to lead time. Okay. Bin 10. I explained about the bin. True KD true color red color. What is the color of this red? Hue customer type. Okay. I left the bin. Bin 10 means what? This the number of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. And what is KD is true. KD is this line. This line is KD. Okay, great. Next, why did we pick this specific graph? Guys, this is the best graph to represent the frequency. Okay, I mentioned here KD plot. This is the KD plot. I have mentioned the KD plot. KD plot. Okay, this is only KD plot. This is the lead time. This is density. What density? Okay, what is the density? Oh, in which what is the frequency of this? KD plots specific graph. I mentioned that why is it used. This is the box plot, buddy. This is the box plot. Box plot is generally used for find out the outlier. What is the outlier? This is the outlier. When we this is generally the outlier, we have to exclude the outlier because when we goes to the we discuss about the fruit seller. There are lots of fruit on the table of the fruit seller. The price is 100 rupee per kg, 200 rupee per kg, and mentioned in the data 500 5 lakh per kg. This is the outlier. This is, it seems that someone entered the data wrong. Okay, the box plot is generally used for the outlier. Okay, guys, why we pick this chart? All the mention here. I don't have a time, guys. Again, I have only 20 minutes to submit this, and this year and cancelled, in which year how many orders cancels or how many bookings was cancelled. Here use the bar plot. This is x-axis y is two variable. Okay, and one thing explain title, how to write this. So plt dot title year wise cancellation, how to write x-axis, plt dot x-axis, how to write y-axis, plt dot y-axis. Everything I discussed, buddy. I explained all this here. I explained the head here. I explained line chart for the lead time and frequency according to the month. I explained the bar plot, like all that. What is the figure size? 12 by 7. 12 length to 12 and breadth 7. This is the shape. Okay. Mean, mode, medium. I explained that. Okay. Here is the line plot. Here is line plot. Here is the line plot. What is this? This is box plot. All I mentioned above correctly. We can read and understand this. And here I made the histogram for agent and hotel. And here I make a scatter plot for this is the resort. This is for blue for resort hotel and red for city hotel. Okay. I explain the pie chart. I explain the pie chart for date and count. Okay, in which year how many cancellation. This is for pie chart. I mentioned all the code. You can see this. Here is the bar plot. Next, customer and required car parking space. This is for customer and required car parking place. This is for box plot for hotel and lead time. This is the correlation. This is very important. Correlation. This is very important. Each cancelled and each cancelled one. Correlation one. Lead time by lead time 0.75. Correlation. When we compare the both, this is the data, this is the data. Itna by itna, then this is the value. Okay, ratio of this and this. Okay, correlation. You should learn a correlation thoroughly because it's very important. Solution to business objective. I mentioned, explain it briefly. What is the solution? What is key performance index? All that. I don't have a time to explain it. Learned about the. I mentioned it all. Okay, bye. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video.